reggae fans from Nairobi were treated to a rare musical extravaganza when Kenya's elite reggae label Black Supremacy blew 6 candles to mark their 6th anniversary. The commemoration, which opened a new chapter for the entertainment outfit, brought together a contingent of reggae fans from Nairobi and its environs. It cropped out an opportunity for the long-standing local reggae maestro to officially launch Rhythm Up, a reggae show aired every Saturday on K24.
Yeah, each and every Saturday is kuanzia 11 hadi saa 6. Make sure na tune in ndani ya K24. We have a Rhythm Up. We have a program called Rhythm Up Live. Also, alafu leo Rhythm Up iko ndani ya keja, tunashoot video, kwa hivyo anytime from now nakuja na microphone mali huko, unaweza gote mabesto wako, au sio?
The well-organized show featured the group's top lieutenants to include MC Fullstop, DJ Lastborn, Simple Simon, Benson, Ronnie Boy, Miss Ebony, Professor Nuts, among others, and was further graced by several big names within the music circles, namely Kenzo of the Mama Milka fame, popular Genge Loyals Nonini, and his close allies, the P Unit. The new lady on the block, Lady B, among others, were there.
We are going places, and our dreams of expanding our entity to East Africa will come to pass, and this will be a litmus paper for us all.
As a country's top organ that has spearheaded reggae crusaders for half a decade and earned itself a staunch following far and wide, Black Supremacy offered reggae lovers a fun-filled night thanks to the sing-along tunes that kept the revelers on the move all night long. Packed to full capacity, the atmosphere inside the hall was carnival in every perspective, something that the local entertainers in attendance could not go without mentioning.
Mazee kwanza kitu moja, mafanzi kundani wamenige support ingine poa, nashukuru. Mood ni poa na watoto wamejaa. Angalau hata mamai kwa hapa anza nipiga ngumi wakati wowote nikisema hivyo, lakini I'm respect, unajua as in atmosphere ni poa. The vibe because iko smart, kila kitu, hakuna tafash.
Ko full mzuka kama MC Hama na maneibo alihama. Sasa usitake kuona vile mziki na tubamba, mabintu afiti vile wanajirusha, yani inanibamba. I'm having fun, yani big up Black Supremacy.
Wow. Big up, man. This is a beautiful party and the food was very good. Nimekula sana. You know, this is very good 6th anniversary. This is good.
Black Supremacy Entertainment on its part had a lot to write home about, as the celebrated artist had a lot of compliments for the reggae entertainment outfit that has kept reggae alive for the past 6 years.
You people are really promoting reggae music in Kenya, and big up to all you Black Supremacy crew. God bless you, awainue kazi yenyu, and keep up the good work. Keep up the good work.
Mkashoza fast mkiwa kwenye Nyanza. Tulikuja garajua kali ka club kadogo. It's been 6 years now. Naona hiyo progress vile imeenda. And big up to you, big up to Saimo, big up to the whole crew. Mnafanya vitu kubwa.
Mambo bad. Mambo bad. Big up Black Supremacy. Big up Black Supremacy.
Au sio? Big up and respect to Black Supremacy. Vile nimesema hapo before, Black Supremacy is the only, as in reggae DJs unit, na bado support local music to the fullest.
Also in the offing were conscious messages from the outfit members who sought to correct the notion that downgraded reggae as being a culture that perpetuates mischief.
Naweza washo reggae ile tuanga pale hivyo manze ni message too tight. Message hawezi get mali pengine. Ni my influence tu wasonga panganga una get wase wanaribu. Message ile inakam kwa reggae. But reggae wanga ina preach peace, ma gospel nini vile wasonga wa get.
Unajua reggae ni muziki. So unajua kila mtu waga na life ile yake, ile azin wewe ni binadamu. Wao pia kuna vitu unajua ni mbaya, hii haifai, haihusikani na music yoyote, unanielewa? So mimi naweza taka tu kila mtu be yourself, usifuate mtu mwingine. Kama ni muziki isikufanye mpaka ufanye kitu yoyote juu. Mimi naweza imba kitu yoyote. Naweza imba about chali, lakini labda hata sina chali.
It's very inspirational, you know. And it talks about what happens in this world. It talks about what happens in the ghetto. It talks about what happens when it's high class, it talks about everything, Reggae music is the most inspirational music in the world,
Personally, venye music za reggae, watu wananijua, venye Kenzo ukua. Na music za reggae kabisa. Reggae, sio, as in, haiko associated na vitu kama violence, na watijua atiwezi ama nini, hapana. Ukuja wa club ya reggae, wewe ukitaka vita, ndio utachapwa. Lakini ukuja kusikiza mziki, utasikiza mziki mpaka asubuhi na usikasumbuliwe.
The event's uniqueness and compliance to the riverless standards was obvious, as the fans could not afford any time out.
Black Supremacy Entertainment has managed to expand its DJ unit to a DJ academy and a recording studio. We've managed to reach the streets under the umbrella of mixtapes. There is Mizel, Redeem Up, Kenyan chapter.
Unlike most groups that disintegrate as fast as they get into the limelight, Black Supremacy has made a mark as one of the most compact showbiz acts in the country, as it continues to ensure reggae remains a great component in the entertainment menu.
Currently, Black Supremacy, with the fact that we are celebrating our 6th anniversary, we intend to expand our entity from just Kenya and get to rich regions like Uganda, Tanzania, and in general East Africa, where we intend to be hosting our sessions just like we are doing them right here in Kenya. So please watch out this space.
Black Supremacy's sparkle as an entertainment powerhouse is evident, and its growth has come with strides that can be nothing less than a milestone achievement.
With the team that I have, challenges are very minimal in that, because teamwork is an integral part in our success.
No wonder it still exists to be a sound system with a golden touch.
Other people rub and respect Celestia as a Rastafari.